Yes, birds do pee, but their urine contains less water compared to mammals. Birds have a unique way of excreting waste through a single opening called the cloaca, which serves as both the exit for urine and feces. The uric acid in bird urine is produced in their kidneys and is combined with feces in the cloaca before being expelled. This process helps birds conserve water, as uric acid requires less water to excrete compared to urea, which is found in mammal urine. Additionally, the white part of bird droppings is actually a combination of uric acid and feces, while the dark part is just feces. So, while birds do pee, their method of excretion differs from mammals and allows them to efficiently conserve water in their bodies.